In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Kling AI to image to video. First, go to klingai.com using your web browser. Now click on Sign In located at the top right corner of the page. Next, click on Sign Up for free if you don't have an account yet. Here, enter your email address, set a password, and re-enter the password to confirm it. Then tap on Next to proceed. You'll be asked to solve a puzzle as part of the security verification. Complete it to continue. Once you're signed in, click on AI Image from the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, describe your idea or vision in the text box provided. You can also select a hint if you need inspiration. Now choose an image reference format like JPG or PNG. Then drag and drop the image from your computer or click to upload the file you want to use. Next, select the aspect ratio for the output depending on your preference. Tap on Generate and the tool will start creating the content. Once it's done, click on the three lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Then click on AI Videos. Here you'll see an option to convert an image to a video. Drag and drop the generated image or upload it from your computer. Finally, tap on Confirm and the tool will process the image into a video. That's how you can use Kling AI to turn an image into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.